Hello, let me show you how you can install RAM memory sticks on your motherboard. So first of all, be sure that you are using proper surface. So I will highly recommend you to put your motherboard on this anti-static foil. It will comes with your motherboard, and under the foil I will recommend you to apply, just to put underneath sponge. And now when it goes into the installation process, so first of all, you have to take a look right here. This is like some kind of the small instruction. So in my case, I've got two memory sticks, and we have to install them on the second and the third slot. So be sure that you are gonna open this clips like that. And right now you have to also be sure that you align a slot. So as you can see, in my case, I will have to rotate this to get this small silver part between, actually like this one. I'm talking about this part. So let's start with applying the first memory stick. And right now you have to just press with your fingers. And now you can hear that click sound. As you can see, it's closed right now. It's holding our memory stick. So now let's do the same with the second one. Be sure about align this part. Now press. And as you can see right now, it is finished. If you have 4 memory sticks, then you have to put them also right here. And that's basically how it looks. Thanks for watching.